Welcome back to Better Sleep. I'm Dr. Sleep. Now we're exploring the science of sleep sounds and how the right audio can transform the way you rest. Sounds that help with sleep include white noise, pink noise, brown noise, ambient music, nature sounds like rain or ocean waves, ASMR, and even silence. Each offers a unique way to support deeper, more consistent rest. These sounds work in three main ways. First, they mask disruptive noises, like traffic, voices, or sudden sounds, creating a steady environment your brain can relax into. Second, they calm the mind. Gentle, predictable sounds help reduce mental activity, making it easier to drift into sleep without racing thoughts. And in some cases, sound can even synchronize brain activity, encouraging slower brain waves linked to deeper, more restorative sleep. White noise contains all frequencies at equal intensity. It's especially useful for masking sudden changes in sound, making it ideal for light sleepers or noisy environments. Pink noise softens higher frequencies, creating a more balanced and natural sound, similar to steady rainfall or wind through trees. Brown noise emphasizes deeper frequencies. It sounds like distant thunder or ocean waves, often described as rich and soothing. Ambient music and nature sounds, like forests, rain, or waves, combine rhythm and familiarity to relax both body and mind. ASMR uses soft close-up sounds, like whispering or tapping, to create a calming sensation for some listeners, helping them unwind before sleep. And then there's silence. For some, a quiet environment is the most natural and effective way to sleep if interruptions are minimal. The best choice depends on you, your environment, your sensitivity to sound, and what helps you feel most at ease. Try different sounds. Notice how quickly you fall asleep, how often you wake, and how rested you feel in the morning. Better sleep isn't about perfection. It's about discovering what truly works for you. Subscribe, like, and share Better Sleep for practical science-backed sleep guidance. Rest well.